Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a payment failed issue on Upwork quickly and easily. So this may help you if you're having trouble adding a payment method, buying connects, receiving a client payment, or withdrawing money. Since the fix depends on the issue, we will focus on updating your billing method. So first, open up Upwork in your browser and sign in. And once you are logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Account Settings. Next, open Billing and Payments from the menu on the left. So this is where you can manage your payment methods and billing details. Now, find the card causing the problem and remove it from your account. After that, click Add a Billing Method, and you may choose a debit or credit card or PayPal. If you select a card, enter the card number. Your name exactly is shown on the card, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. Then add your billing address and make sure it matches the address connected to the card. And once everything is correct, you can click Save and then wait for Upwork to verify the new payment method. And after it is added successfully, try making the payment again. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.